Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό για την πλάκα μου. Για την πλάκα μου, it's a phrase that we use whenever we want to say that we do something for fun or for our own pleasure. Πλάκα literally means style, but metaphorically we use it for the word joke and fun. And mu in the end can be replaced with any other personal pronoun depending on whose fun or whose pleasure we're talking about. So let's have a look at some examples. Αυτή δεν έχει ανάγκη από χρήματα, δουλεύει για την πλάκα της. She's not in need of money, she doesn't need money, she's working for fun. And one more, βάφω το σπίτι για την πλάκα μου. I'm painting my own house for fun, for my own pleasure. So, if you want to practice more with this phrase, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you want to boost your speaking skill, let me know because my teaching method can do this even if you are on level 0 and it is as fun and effective as these videos. I'll see you on the next one then.